Hello everybody, and welcome to this tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect MailerLite to n8n. This tutorial is beginner-friendly and does not require any coding. Just follow the steps and you'll have the integration up and running in a few minutes. First, go to your MailerLite account and log in. Once you're inside, look to the top right corner and click on your profile icon. From the drop-down menu, select Integrations. When you land on the Integrations page, scroll down until you see Developer API. Click on the Use button beside it. Now you'll see your MailerLite API key. This key allows n8n to access your MailerLite account securely. Copy this key and save it for the next step. Now let's go to n8n. Log into your n8n dashboard. Once you're in, create a new workflow by clicking on the plus icon. This opens a search bar. Type MailerLite and choose the MailerLite node from the list. Click on the node to add it to your workflow. When the node appears, it will ask you to set up credentials. Click the button that says Create New Credential. A new form will open. In this form, paste the MailerLite API key that you copied earlier. After pasting the key, n8n will ask you to provide an email address. This is used to perform an action that confirms the connection. Enter a valid email address that can be used to create a test subscriber in your MailerLite account. Once you enter the email and submit the form, n8n will send that data to MailerLite. If the request is successful, it means your connection is now complete. Your MailerLite account is officially linked to n8n, and you can start building automations. Once that's done, click Execute Node. If everything is set up properly, n8n will send the request and a new subscriber will be created in your MailerLite account. You can log into MailerLite and check your subscribers list to see the new contact.